First, look at the quality of these videos. The animation style is incredibly smooth, clean, and visually amazing. Every movement feels professional and cinematic. The character design is totally unique, and the overall art style makes the videos stand out from millions of other videos on YouTube. The content idea is also very different and creative. That's one of the biggest reasons these videos are getting millions of views and millions of subscribers. I finally found the channel creating this type of content, and it's clear they are making thousands of dollars every month from it. But the most surprising thing is that these videos do not require days or weeks to make. With the right AI tools and workflow, some of these videos can be created in just a few minutes. The storytelling, smooth animation, emotional scenes, and unique characters make people watch until the end. This style of content is becoming one of the biggest opportunities on YouTube right now because it combines entertainment, emotion, and simple animation in a very engaging way. The audience connects with these characters very quickly, which helps the videos go viral fast. If you understand this style and learn how these videos are made, you can also build a massive channel with millions of views and subscribers. Now, let's jump into ChatGPT and enter the prompt. I know a lot of people struggle with prompts. Most of you don't know what to write or how to write it the right way, but don't worry. I've already solved that problem for you. I've created a ready-to-use, high-quality prompt. Your only job is simple. Just copy it from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. And before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me bringing more value like this. Now here's the exciting part. When you paste this prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate an amazing result. Fully structured, highly engaging, and perfectly aligned with the type of viral video we saw at the beginning. This exact style of content is getting massive views right now. But here's the truth. Most people ignore. If your prompt is weak, your results will be weak. You won't get good images, you won't get high-quality videos, and your content will look average. And average content does not go viral. That's why having the right prompt is everything. It's the difference between a video that gets ignored and a video that blows up overnight. So instead of wasting time guessing, use a proven prompt and focus on execution. Stay consistent, improve your content, and follow the trend. Because in today's world, with the right tools and the right strategy going, viral is not luck, it's a system. Now go ahead, copy the prompt, try it yourself, and start creating your own viral videos today. Now let's jump into ChatGPT and enter the prompt. I know a lot of people struggle with prompts. Most of you don't know what to write or how to write it the right way, but don't worry. I've already solved that problem for you. I've created a ready-to-use, high-quality prompt. Your only job is simple. Just copy it from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. Now let's come to Flow AI and understand which tool I used. The main reason I chose this tool is because of its powerful and user-friendly system. All you need to do is log in using your Gmail account. No complicated steps at all. Once you log in, you instantly unlock Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro features. And the best part is, both options are completely free to use. Yes, absolutely free, with no hidden charges or subscriptions. You can generate 10 images, 50 images, or even hundreds without any limitation. This makes it perfect for beginners as well as advanced content creators. Now here comes the real magic of this tool. Just copy your prompt from the ChatGPT platform, then paste it into Flow AI and let the system do everything automatically. Within minutes, all your images will be generated in front of you, and when you see the results, you'll honestly be surprised. The image quality is extremely sharp, detailed, and professional. It feels like premium content, but you're getting it completely free. You don't need any editing skills, voiceovers, or background music. Everything is handled by AI in a simple and efficient way. Now let's move to the website Meta AI. The main reason I use this website is because everyone always asks for a completely free AI tool, and this tool is totally free to use. I know many of you will ask in the comments, if the images are already free, then why do you still use Flow AI? The reason is simple. Sometimes other tools slightly change the image style or character design, but Flow AI generates incredibly clean and consistent images. The quality looks absolutely amazing, and that's why I create all my images using Flow AI first. The process is super simple. I just upload the image, paste the video prompt, and click Generate. You do not need to paste the voiceover prompt because this tool only generates the video animation, not the narration audio. Don't worry though. Later in the video, I will guide you step by step on how to add narration and background music separately in a very simple way. After pasting the prompt and uploading the image, just wait for about 1 minute. When you see the result, you will honestly be shocked. The animation style looks professional, the camera movement feels cinematic, and everything looks smooth, clean, and high quality. I tested this tool many times because at first I could not believe the quality. But every single time, the results looked amazing. The best part is that it doesn't generate just one video style. It can create multiple amazing versions from the same prompt. You can download whichever one you like the most. And honestly, every time I generate a new video, my reaction is literally, "Dude, this is insane!" Because the quality keeps surprising me again and again. Another huge advantage is that there is no watermark, no logo, and no messy output. Everything looks smooth, professional, cinematic, and ready for YouTube uploads. You can keep copying and pasting different prompts again and again to create unlimited cinematic animated videos. There is also a music option available inside the tool if you want background music, but for these types of storytelling videos, we mainly need emotional narration audio to make the content feel more cinematic and engaging. So keep watching till the end, because I will also show you how to add cinematic narration, how to add emotional background music, how to sync audio perfectly with scenes, and how to make your final video look like a professional animated movie. Trust me, once you understand this workflow, creating viral animation videos becomes much easier than you think. Now for the audio narration, let's move into the CapCut audio section. You can use the CapCut website or the CapCut Pro desktop app. Both are great, and they have amazing quality AI voices available. Simply copy only the voiceover narration lines. Do not copy the image or video prompts. Just paste the narration text into the AI voice generator section. After pasting everything, click on Generate. Within seconds, the AI will create the voice narration. Sometimes it may take a few extra seconds, but the result sounds very smooth, clean, and professional. You can also try different voices to see which one matches your story better. Once the narration is ready, download the audio and use it in your video editing timeline. Now let's come into CapCut. Simply drag all your generated videos into the timeline one by one and arrange them properly according to your story scenes. After that, paste your AI audio narration into the audio section and sync it with the video scenes. Try to match the narration, timing with the character actions to make the video feel more cinematic and emotional. You can also add simple transitions between scenes if you want smoother movement. Do not overuse transitions. Simple fade or smooth transitions work best for this style of content. After everything is synced, you can generate auto captions inside CapCut very easily. Customize the captions a little to make them clean and readable, then your video is almost ready for upload. Now export the final video and enjoy your cinematic animated story.